Hi everybody, we're going to do another freezer meal, Sloppy Joe's, and to make it faster, and we're doing a double batch. So we're going to use the entire onion and an entire green pepper. So instead of having Emma just chop it up into little pieces, we're going to use the chopper. So basically, cut these small enough to put on here and then boom. And it's real little, so they'll cook faster. Okay? And it all comes apart, easy to clean. So I'll let Emma do that, and I will start. And I think if it doesn't all fit in here, dump it on here. Okay. It might be too high.
Yeah, just smushed it.
Here, take this off. You gotta cut that off, otherwise it won't do anything. Like that, slam it. There you go. Yep. But doesn't that make it faster? I would like to get a new one though, with all different sizes, because then you can do cheese and all that. I made a mistake. All right, I'm gonna brown the meat, and I'm gonna do 2 pounds because I want to double this. So this is the meat from our steers. One more. Okay. All right, so you can probably hear Emma behind me. It's still a little frozen. It's still a little frozen, which is fine. We could have used venison for this. I forgot. I was going to use the venison that we had, the ground venison. That would have been good. Shoot. Oh well. We'll be making chili with the venison then. That's a good freezer meal too, chili. All right, I'm gonna let that go. We used this chopper to make egg rolls, and it was perfect because the carrots, the celery, all that was one size. Worked and cooked great. Favorite spoon. Just stay in there. I don't think we have to chop anything else that I can think of at the moment. Excellent. See, and I like this because all this can be dishwasher or by hand. This is the only thing that might be a pain to clean, but I just get a toothpick and pop it out. All right, now we'll just wait for the ground beef. Okay, so I took the ground beef out. I need my spoon. I'm gonna put in the onion. You sure this is too much onion? Yes. We can use it for the pot pie too.
That's fine.
Or else we'll save it. Let me look at this. I can do a little more.
Just put the rest in pot pie. Or something else.
Or we'll freeze it.
Doesn't matter.
It's ready. Because people don't want a mouthful of onions like we do. But this I'll put in. I'm going to put the whole pepper in. Let that brown up. Just that. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so my green pepper and my onion. I'm gonna put some garlic in there. Remember, this is a double batch, so I'm gonna do two spoonfuls. And then I'm gonna turn it down because you don't want your garlic to burn. No way, Jose. Mm-mm. I'm gonna turn that down. And just come up to temp. Oh, it smells so good. Chicken in there. I'm going to turn that down because I can't get to it right now. Salt, put a little bit more, and remember, always taste test. You can always add, you can't take out. Pepper. If you want the exact recipe in the comments, let me know. Turn it up a little. Okay. Tomato paste. I think I'll do 2 of those. I'll always add water. It's a shame because tomato paste then doesn't last. Alright, that's that. Ketchup. I want to make my own ketchup one year. This might be the year to do it. We have tons of tomatoes. So, that's kind of what it's looking like. Mustard. Not too much. Worcestershire. Ross, can you grab me a spoon? Can you grab me a spoon for the brown sugar? I don't want to put my hands in here. I'd like you to give me a cup of water, please. Because otherwise, the thought of that, I can't put the brown sugar in without water, otherwise it'll burn. Pour that in there for me, please. That's good. Thank you. I'll do a little bit more, but then that's it because I want to. So I got my, let's see what I'm missing. chili powder, and red pepper flakes. And that's kind of it. I'm not going to put a lot of red pepper flakes in. That's actually what I need to get to the Amish too, is more red pepper flakes. Russ, if you want to put that on the list. All right. I'll let that cook a little bit. And I can hear my chicken cooking. So I'm going to make a video for the chicken also. Alright, let's pour the meat back in here. Now, could you do all this in a crock pot? You sure can. But sometimes the night before I'm tired. And I don't think I had to prep everything and put it in there. Also, sometimes I don't have enough room in my refrigerator. Or if I prep it the night before, I don't really have a place to put it in. So, oops. I don't see it. Do you see it? I scooched. I dropped some on the ground. I'm just going to stir it up. And then we'll have a taste test. Now, I might add more ketchup. There's more meat than anything in here, which I think I'm going to do. Or not. It looks pretty good. You just want to grab a clean spoon and taste test this for me and let me know if I need more ketchup? Which I think I will. Or if I need sugar, or salt. You look on your face, it needs something, but you don't know what.
I'm used to it a little more saucy,
Right.
but it tastes good.
Mmm. That tastes amazing.
When I say that, I'm just used to it more saucy. Like I put tomato sauce in mine.
I don't know. See, now I wonder, should I just freeze it like this, and if somebody wants to add barbecue sauce on it before they eat it, or I can do all the liquid again. Okay, let's just add more of everything, make it more liquidy. What?
The ketchup's going to sweeten it up a little, so then you'll need a little more spice to even
Yep.
it back out.
Because I think, and we'll taste it again because then we need to, I don't think we need more garlic. That was pretty good. Let's see, this may drown the flavor out. It's not like I put a lot more ketchup in. I've also made this where I just put tomato soup in. It's getting there, you know, as it cooks. way to use up the end of things. All I really got to do is add more water too,
Yeah.
which we can do. Let's let that heat up a little bit, and then I wanted you to test it again. But it's delicious. It's actually very good. That looks more like what you're talking about. Because then when you bake it too, after it's frozen, it'll thicken up again. You know, and I still have more tomato paste. See, like I would
That's
put,
looking good.
yeah. Because when you bake it, after, you know, to reheat it, it's going to dry out. Okay. Hand me a new spoon. Okay, got it. Here, try that then. Put your hand under it, it's dripping now. Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll take a new spoon. Mmm.
I like it.
No, it tastes really like sloppy Joe. Delicious. Okay. That's it. Let it cool, and I'll put it in my 2 aluminum pans. All right. So we got 2 containers then of sloppy joes, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put the aluminum cover on and foil. All right, and we got these pans actually at Dollar Tree, so there were 3 for $1. That's actually a pretty good deal. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember, let me know if you want the exact recipe. Send me a comment. I will gladly share.